Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or show likes on your Substack profile. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you wish to display your likes on your profile or even hide them, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your Substack account. And as you can see, I'm here logged into mine. Then head over to your profile icon on top here. So go ahead and tap on this and go down to settings. Now under settings, head to privacy and safety, then tap on it, then scroll down until you see show likes on profile. To show likes, go ahead and turn on this. However, if you want to hide likes, you can go ahead and toggle this off. So from now henceforth, if it is turned off, no one will see your likes on your profile. But if you turn it on, now the public will be able to see your likes, and this will be visible to both followers and non-followers of your account. So that's how you can either show or hide likes on your profile. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.